Hi boys, I'm back again. This is the last part of the lesson. Okay, so we're looking at another problem question here. A cake recipe for one cake needs 1 egg, 2.5 cups of flour and a 1/4 cup of sugar. What quantities of egg, flour and sugar will you need to make 8 cakes? So this is for one cake. We're finding the quantities for 8 cakes. So we're going to do them one at a time. The eggs, we needed 1 egg. We're timesing by 8 for 8 cakes, and we need 8 eggs. With the flour, we needed 2.5 cups of flour for 1 cake. Times it by 8 for the 8 cakes, and we're going to then change this to an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, keep the 2 on the bottom. The 8, remember, is a whole number, and if it needs a bottom number, you need to keep it as a 1, so put it over 1. Times your tops times your bottoms will give you 40 over 2. If you read this top to bottom, it says 40 divided by 2, and you know the answer to that is 20, so it's 20 cups of flour. Over here for sugar, the sugar needed a 1/4 cup for 1 cake. We're timesing it by 8 for 8 cakes. So it's a 1/4 times 8, but remember the whole numbers have to be over 1. Times your tops times your bottoms will give you 8 over 4. If you read this, it says 8 divided by 4, which you all know is 2. So it's 2 cups of sugar. Okay, in this next question, it says complete. So we've got to fill in the blank here. It says 3/4 times something equals 21 over 32. Now you know your rules for timesing. We times the tops and times the bottoms. So we need the times the tops to get a 21. This would have to be a 7. Times the bottoms to get a 32, this would have to be an 8, and it's finished. That's the end of your lesson. Make sure you've got all these notes and examples copied in your book. Your homework will be on Compass. Thank you.